Cover up. Inside. Inside. Up. Yellow house girls. Hands off. Red house girls. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Louder, louder as well. Side. You must do it one time in proper way. First already went time in all. Hands down. Stand is. Attention. Stand is. Attention. Now everyone get it from your anthem. Ready? Start. Inside. 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 Hands down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Now everyone get ready for a school song. Hold your hands front. Sing together louder. Everyone. Ready? Start. inside, up. Blue house girls, how are you doing, answer? Class 4 girl, what is your name? Be active. Inside. And stand. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Now it's time for deliver this speech. So I'd like to call all the speakers. Mr. Another, please come on the stage.
A very warm good morning to Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. It's me, Desara Bhandari from grade 10, standing here to read today's editorial on the topic disheartened footballers take to the street demanding platform to play. Before wasting our precious time, I would like to start my speech. A division league deferrals puts on the line the livelihood the hundred of footballers. On Thursday, they left the medal at their ANFA gate as a symbol of disillusionment. The ANFA complex in the Satopatola witnessed an unusual sight at around noon on Thursday. Nepal represents the country as the international level has gathered outside the complex and the commotion ensued. The footballers then took turn to hang the medal they won at the different tournaments at the main gate of the complex. These are the footballers who has been keeping the domestic scenes alive and the kicking, and they has protested a recent decision to postpone the Martyr Memorial A Division League for one more year. This has deprived the move as a gunpot to them and the country footballing dream. We are leaving this medal as the sovereigns as a mark that thanks to the ANFA official who can wear this themselves, said Bikram Lama, a former Nepal team player who is recently the president of Nepal Football Player Association. Thank you and have a nice day.
Namaskar everyone, good morning to you all, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teacher, brother, sister, and my dear friends. It's me, Arusha Dulali from grade 9 standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of the importance of a good friend. Before starting my topic, I would like to thank the organizer who has organized this type of program, which helps to increase the confidence level of the student. Now without wasting your valuable time, I would like to start my topic, the importance of a good friend. Friends are a very special part of our life. A good friend is like a bright light on our dark day. When we are sad, a good friend always tries to make us happy, and when we are happy, there is always a friend who will share our joy. A good friend never leaves us in trouble. They listen to us, they trust us, and they care for us. Friendship is not just about money or looks. It is just all about love, care, and trust between them. And, we should also try to be good friends to others. If you're kind and helpful and honest, everybody wants to be friends with us. But if we are rude and unkind to others, nobody will be willing to be our friend. Sometimes friends also may fight, but a good friend always says sorry and they both move on. Friendship teaches us to forgive and understand each other. I am very lucky to have my friends. When I'm around them, I feel very happy and joyful. It is not necessary how many friends you have. Even a group circle of 2 or 3 people is enough in my opinion. Friendship is truly a gift of life. By saying this much, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you. Have a great day.
and very warm good morning to you all, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me Priyansi Shrestha from grade 9 standing here in front of you all to share the most memorable day of my life. Before starting, I would like to thank the ECA committee of Anupam Vidya Sadan for organizing this kind of program to help build up the confidence level of the students. So, I have experienced many good and bad memories in my life, but the most unforgettable day of my life was the first day of our BLE exam. It was a really sunny day. We all reached to our school at 8 in the morning and wait for a few hours before going to our exam center. Uh, we all were really nervous because it was our first time attending our exam outside our school with unknown teachers and unknown friends. We all went to our exam center in our school bus. Before going, we worshipped Goddess Saraswati and got her blessings. After reaching to our exam center, we made a line and stood outside the center's gate. In gate, there was written all the symbol numbers and names and the classes we were in. I was really happy because all of my closest friends were in same class with me. After entering to the exam hall, the examiner explained us everything that we need to write in paper and wished us luck and gave us our paper. We all attend our English exam really nicely and gave our best in our paper. Before going to exam center, we were really nervous, but after coming back, we all were really happy because we did our best. At last, I would like to say that it all happened because our teachers gave us the confidence, and today I am here in grade 9 by passing BLE exam. Thank you so much.
Namaskar and very warm respected Vice Principal, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Tosif Sheikh, to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of menstruations and its taboos. Menstruation is a natural process that starts between 10 and 19 years of age. Menstruation is a biological natural process that's made normal with women. In Nepal, there were some problems in religions who misbehaves with women. Like Chopadi. Chopadi is an old traditional place where humans forced to live in cow seats, were not entering the home, kitchen, temple, or even not touch any male members. It is a very hard condition to survive women in cow seats. It's very cold. Animals attack on them, and even this situation humans are die. At last, I want to say that we shall not do this type of activity. Thank you very much.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all, respected principals, vice principals, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Alice Karki from grade 5, standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of importance of game. Before starting my topic, I would like to thank the organizer who have organized this type of program which help to increase the confidence level of the student. Now my topic goes like this. Through games and sports, we can keep our body healthy and strong. The first importance of game is it keeps us healthy. The game gives us the best exercise to our body. Exercise is very useful and necessary to our body. Health is a basis of the all life. Game teaches us discipline also. At last, I would like to say that without doing exercise, our body is useless. Thank you. Namaskar and everyone. Good morning to our respected principals, sir, vice principals, sir, teacher, brothers, sisters, and my education. As you all know, it's been V.S. Mananda from Grade 5 is standing in front of you to do a short speech on the topic of basketball. Before starting my topic, I like to thank the Islamic community of Angam Vidyasadan, which helps to increase the confidence level of the student. Now my topic goes like this: basketball. Basketball is an outdoor game and it is played on court. It is played between 12 players, but only 5 players from each team can play. At that time. The basic skills of basketball are dribbling and passing. Basketball is popular in USA. USA made a league named NBA, but even before getting into that, the first thing a player know their stance. Stance is basically a ready position with or without a basketball, so they can move or pass. And the most important rule is we have to tight a grip. Thank you, have a nice day.
Thank you all the speakers. Please prepare well and deliver the speech with full confidence. Hands cover up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Okay, to provide some information, let's welcome our Vice Principal on this stage.
Thank you very much, Coordinator sir. Come up. Pawan Kumar Yadav be active. Inside. Hands up. Clap. Clap together, everybody. Inside. Hands down. Stand it. So one coupon is found here. Whose coupon is lost? Please check yourself and consult to Santosa. Number is 4261. 4261. So real honor, please come and take this coupon. So today is Friday. Friday means now we will start games. Okay? So this week our routine is like this. From second period we will begin the game and the subject teacher will take you for game for some time till the coach arrives. Second period class 4, third period 5, fourth period 6, fifth period 7, sixth period 8 and seventh period 9. Accordingly, the schedule is prepared for this week. Games means minimum discipline. So play with full-fledged discipline. And as soon as the bell rings, please stop and go to your class. And don't push each other. Which game you are playing, that much you played in a systematic order. I can see some of the boys' hair is still long. So please trim tomorrow and come on Sunday. Who is talking over there? Hair must be trimmed. And if your uniform is not up to date, house uniform, formal uniform, if it is not up to date, you can visit the uniform shop and then make it repaired, or you can order new one. Whenever the students go for dance, there is one problem. Their shoes are being exchanged. Don't forget to write your name in your white shoes. Someone else write your name so that you can identify your own belongings and wear. Count the number of days remaining for your unit test and practice accordingly. I have noticed some of these students, they come quite early in the school. That means they are not doing their homework at home. So homework must be done at home and classroom activities inside the class. Develop the habit to read and express yourself. Don't copy. The students who copy cannot do anything in their life. Remember, they have to be fully dependent upon others. Attention, cover up, and side, hands up, and side, hands down. Stand on it. Read together. Attention. Stand on it. Attention. Last time. Okay, Kavali House boys, go forward. Bangladesh House boys, go forward.